welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to download and install WhatsApp application. So for that, first of all, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. You tap upon the Google Play Store and on the search bar, you type in WhatsApp. Then tap on search and it will show you the WhatsApp Messenger application on the search result. Now you tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. So here this process is for the Android users. If you are using a iOS device, you will need to go to the App Store and on the search bar you type in WhatsApp. Then from there you will be able to download WhatsApp for your iOS device. You can see the application has been downloaded. Now you tap on open and with that you have successfully downloaded and install the WhatsApp for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.